how to fix Aion 2 crashes. So I'm going to show you a few different methods. For the first one, you want to load up the game, then you will click on the gear icon in the top right, go into graphics, and here make sure this is set to borderless windowed mode, and also the resolution scale you want to go for performance. And the last thing that I suggest changing is the water effect here, water reflection method. Also change it to a performance. Now that is from within Aion 2. Now, what can we do on our computer's end? You want to open up your computer search, and you will search for Aion 2. Find the app, right click, open file location. Then here you will click on Aion 2. Right click, go to properties. Then you want to go into the compatibility tab, and you want to check these three options. Run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an admin. Click on apply, click on OK. The next thing that I suggest doing is opening up your computer search yet again, and this time we're going to search for graphics settings. From this list, you want to search for Aion. If you don't see it, you will add desktop app, and here we will just go where Aion is located and we will add it. And you want to search for it. If that doesn't work, then what you can do is change the settings for the purple launcher directly. So here you will search the list for purple, and you want to find purple launcher, click on it to expand it. GPU preference, you will set this to high performance, and also you can repeat the same for purple overlay, you will set this to high performance, and that should fix the crashes. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.